well, if my thermostat is accurate, it's pretty hot in here. So I got the 8,000 BTU weather wheel running. That's an AE compressor. This is on low. That's all the noise it makes. I go to high. Still pretty quiet. Install it, and the compressor is like a mini fridge. It's very quiet. So, yep, that's the weather wheel running today. And then I also got this guy running, which is a 1969 Sears Cold Spot 13.5. That's got the B series as well. This louver that aims it out into the living room. Yeah. Now this freaking bothers me. So as you can see, this side of the front grill is slanted. That's how the epoxy held up over time on this one. So I probably didn't do it right. This one's holding up okay. As you can see, it's pulling really good condensation too. Yeah, it's a 4-row evaporator, 4-row condenser. It is the original Delco motor. B-Series sounds pretty sweet. This one. It's about 85 outside. Echoes throughout the backyard. Sounds really cool. That's it.